Hey there, fellow WordPress enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into parameter tracking with BetterLinks. It's easier than you might think, so let's get started. First, ensure you've got BetterLinks and BetterLinks Pro installed and activated. Now, let's go to your WordPress dashboard. See that sidebar? Click on BetterLinks and then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, we'll zoom in on the advanced options. Look for Tracking. You'll spot the parameter tracking option. Go ahead and select Forwarded Parameters, then hit the Save Settings button. Now let's move on to Manage Links. Click on the plus icon. Now, fill in those details and don't forget the target URL. Oh, and here's the important part. On the right side, under Link Options, make sure you select Parameter Forwarding. Once you've done that, copy the shortened URL and save your work. Now, let's move forward by adding parameters to our link. For this tutorial, we're using a blog post, but feel free to use whatever works for you. Here's what you do. Highlight some text in your post and add a hyperlink. After pasting the recently generated shortened URL, add your parameter at the end. We're using ref equals post1 for this example, but get creative with yours. Then save it. Go ahead and add your link to a few more blogs or sources. Just remember to use a different parameter for each one. It's like giving each link its own special identity. Now head to your published blog and click on one of those hyperlinks with the added parameters. Watch as it whisks you away to the right website or source. There's more. Let's check out URL performance analytics and tracking details. Go back to the WordPress dashboard. Click on BetterLinks, then Settings, and hit the Refresh Stats button on the General panel. Now, click on Analytics and scroll down to find your links. Click the Details button to view analytics and tracking info for your parameter-added links. And here you go. Now you can easily track your added parameters to your links with detailed analytics. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more WordPress guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep linking and tracking.